Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare React Native versus a code emulator. We'll dive into understanding their fundamental distinctions and explore how each tool fits into the mobile development landscape. You'll learn about setting up your environment for both, uncovering their main applications, and ultimately, determining which one is better suited for your specific project needs. This comparison will help you make informed decisions for efficient and effective app development. React Native shines in its ability to build applications for multiple platforms from one codebase, saving considerable time and effort. Its hot reloading capability means you see changes almost instantly, drastically improving your development speed. With access to thousands of JavaScript libraries, you have a rich toolkit at your disposal. Plus, because it uses native components, your apps deliver a performance that feels incredibly close to fully native applications. Code emulators are indispensable for precise testing, offering an environment that mirrors actual devices, down to specific hardware and software configurations. They are vital for pinpointing and debugging issues related to device features like the camera or GPS. You can test your application across hundreds of different screen sizes and operating system versions without owning a single physical device. Furthermore, emulators provide powerful tools for performance profiling and simulating diverse network conditions, ensuring your app is robust. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your specific needs. React Native excels for quick, cross-platform development and iterating on your app's look and feel. Emulators, on the other hand, are non-negotiable for deep testing, debugging device-specific features, and ensuring performance across a wide array of virtual devices. For most professional projects, combining both React Native for development and emulators for comprehensive testing provides the most robust and efficient workflow, ensuring a high-quality final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.